夢をかき集め探し物を探しに行くのさ One Piece
Ahoy, adventurers! Nami here, your navigator to Python's hidden treasures. Python is your compass, and I'll be your guide on this coding voyage. From seasoned pirates to fresh deckhands, we'll explore Python's secrets together. So, hoist your intellect and brace for an exciting journey into the world of Python. Ready to set sail? In inline comments. Anything after the hash symbol on the same line is considered a comment and is not executed. In multiline comments. Python does not have a built-in syntax for multiline comments like some other programming languages. However, you can use multiline strings, triple-quoted strings, to create documentation strings, commonly known as docstrings. While these are not true comments, I'm going to explain with this example how comments work in Python, just like I navigate the Grand Line for my crew. First, let's set my pirate name to Nami. You see, I'm the skilled navigator of the Straw Hat Pirates. This inline comment reminds you that I'm known as the navigator. Now, multiline comments, as you can see a paragraph in green color, this is multiline comment which will not be executed by Python. Now, we're diving into the world of escape sequences. Let's explore how they work and why they're important. First up, we have the newline escape sequence. It's used to start a new line in a string. Next, we have the tab escape sequence. It adds a tab character to your string, creating neat columns. Now, you should know the fact that you can't add a backslash. The backslash escape sequence allows you to include an actual backslash. The most important, the print statement. In Python, we use the print statement to show information or messages on the screen. Just as a bounty poster conveys a pirate's status to the world, the print statement communicates information to the user. In this example, it would be like my bounty poster, displaying my name and occupation. The print statement allows us to share important details with others. Anything in between the quotation marks can be used by print statement. And that's a wrap, fellow adventurers. We've reached the end of this episode of Python Learning. I'm proud of your progress. I will meet you all in the next episode. Till then, subscribe for me. 俺は海賊王になる男だ